In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Outlook working offline problem. If you've opened Outlook and noticed that no new emails are coming in and nothing is being sent, there's a good chance Outlook is set to work offline. The good news is that this is usually a quick fix, and it comes down to one simple setting. Here's the idea. Outlook has a mode called Work Offline. It's helpful when you want to read or draft emails without connecting to the server, but when it's turned on by accident, your inbox stops updating and anything you send will sit in the outbox. You can confirm this by looking at the bottom of the Outlook window. If you see Working Offline in the status bar, that's exactly what's happening. To turn it off, go to the top of Outlook and click the Send Receive tab on the ribbon. In that tab, you'll see a button labeled Work Offline. When Outlook is offline, that button is usually highlighted or appears pressed. Click it once to toggle it off. That single click is the key. As soon as you do, keep an eye on the status bar at the bottom. It should change from working offline to connected or something similar like connected to Microsoft Exchange depending on your account type. Make sure your internet connection is working properly while you do this. If your connection is fine, Outlook should pick up right away, start syncing your mail, and send any messages waiting in the outbox. Give it a few moments to catch up, especially if it's been offline for a while or you have a lot of messages to download. You'll see new emails arriving, and anything stuck will be sent automatically. A quick tip to avoid confusion in the future. Think of the Work Offline button as a simple on-off switch. If you ever need to pause syncing temporarily, you can click it to go offline. When you're ready to resume, click it again to reconnect. The status bar at the bottom is your best indicator of what's happening, so always check there to confirm you're connected. That's all there is to it. Click Send, Receive, Toggle, Work Offline. Make sure your internet is good, and Outlook should switch to connected right away. If this helped you fix the Microsoft Outlook working offline problem, please leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.